Imagine enjoying a hot, home-cooked meal wherever you are, thanks to the Eacalls electric lunchbox. This innovative lunch container is designed with a stainless steel interior that heats your food evenly, ensuring every bite is delicious. Just plug it in for about 30 minutes, and you'll have a warm meal ready to savor, whether at the office, school, or on a road trip. The 1.5-liter capacity is perfect for a hearty lunch, and the removable inner container makes cleaning a breeze. Plus, it's lightweight and portable, so you can take it anywhere without hassle. Say goodbye to cold sandwiches and hello to the convenience of homemade meals on the go. With the Eacalls electric lunchbox, you can enjoy nutritious, warm food anytime, anywhere. It's not just a lunchbox, it's a game changer for your daily meals. Order now by now link in the description.